Hello, we are TechnoExponent. So let me introduce us. TechnoExponent is one of the leading software development company with expertise in PHP website development, PHP programming and PHP dedicated resource. Our client ranges from different industries and segments. All our developers hold experience of more than 7 years in the field of web development. We combine both creativity and imagination to render 100% user-friendly and interactive web application and web solution. So let me show you quickly few of our best works. Here comes Hybrid.com, an e-commerce website that provides wide range of beauty products. Here you can see the search bar where one can make the search by writing the keyword. Here comes the menu. Here comes the quick links. Under the menu, here comes the category, and here comes subcategories. Here you can view the moving banner, our favorites, what's new, discover a new world, and social media links. So here we can search for any product, as we have said that user can search by typing the keyword or can select category or subcategory. So let's select. Here we go. Here comes the listing of the product that can be sorted by best selling, what's new, editorials pick, exclusive, etc. Or can be filtered by on the basis of brands, price. So if we select any of the product, here comes the details page of the product with the reviews, one loves, quantity that you can change as per your preference, add to basket, add to love. Here comes the details regarding the product, how to use, ingredient, about the brand, videos related to the product, related to product, rating and review, so as we have added the product to the basket, here we are going to check our cart. Here comes your basket. From here you can either continue shopping or can directly check out. Here comes the product name, quantity which can also be changed now, price, promotional code, if available then you can apply and you can go for checkout. Here comes the details of the user, first name, last name, address is needed as the products need to be shipped here. Here comes delivery details. Here comes continue. Here we have provision for both online and offline payment. For online payment mode, one can pay through their credit or debit card, and we have integrated PayPal payment gateway also. Here comes another e-commerce website, Fashion Wishes, an online fashion boutique that provides wide range of fashion that are accessible to everyone. Here you can view the search bar where you can type the product keyword and can search for the product, or you can search the product from the categories. So here comes the category, here comes its subcategory. So let's select any of the subcategory. Here comes the listing of the product on the basis of the subcategories, where you can filter on the basis of price range, standard, popularity, latest products, lowest price, highest price, etc. So here comes the listing of products and you can select any of the product from the listing. So here we are selecting. Here you can view the product with its multiple image, price, availability. Here comes another product. Here comes the price, availability, product attribute, information, review, related products. Here comes add to cart. So we are adding the product to cart. From here you can view the cart. Here comes your cart. Here comes the product, number that can be changed, price, subtotal. Update your shopping cart. Discount code, you can write the code if you are getting any discount. Here comes related product, which also you can add to your cart like this. Here you can see we have added 2 products in the cart. Once you are done with that, you update your shopping cart. Here comes your billing address information that you have to provide. Here comes the login details that you need to provide while buying the product. Payment can be done through online payment mode. For that, we have integrated different payment gateways. Ideal, bank transfer, you can see here. Here comes the fields which you need to fill up for searching for the hotel. So here we can search on the basis of city name, state name or hotel name. So let's first search on the basis of a location name. Here you can view the autocomplete option. Here we are selecting. Here we are providing the check-in, check-out date, number of guests. Now let's search. Here comes the hotel with its picture. Here you can view multiple pictures of the hotel. Here comes the option where you can change the search by changing the destination, hotel or landmark name, by changing the check-in, check-out date, room, number of guests. Also, you can search for the hotel on the basis of city name by clicking this. Here you can view the hotels based on the city name that can be sorted on the basis of popular and the price. Here search results can be filtered on the basis of price, guest rating, accommodation type, amenities, hotel options. So if we select any of the hotel from the listing, we will select it. Here we are selecting. Here comes the details page of the hotel with the map. Here comes your room type. Here you can see the room type. They are showing the room type they are having for this hotel. Here comes the amenities that the hotel will be providing, hotel reviews, things to do, the places nearby the hotel. Here we have implemented a functionality like booking a hotel, the user will be getting 1 point, and when they will collect 10 points, they will be rewarded a free night stay. Here you can see that. Here one can give reviews to the hotel using social media links. So if we select the book now button, they will be asking for the room type. Here we are selecting classic double. So we are clicking book. Here comes the booking details where the user need to provide their name, email address. It's mandatory as because the confirmation will be sent to this address. The phone number, any special request for that they can provide the comment. Payment mode can be done through online or offline. For online, we have integrated different payment gateway that you can see. Here comes hosting power, a website that provides affordable room for the student. For that, the students need to choose the arrival and departure date. So here we will be writing the arrival and the departure date, and then we will be finding the room. So here you can see that we have mentioned the arrival and the departure date, and now we will search for the room. On the basis of the date, here comes the list of the room, which can be sorted on the basis of rent. Student can mention the maximum and minimum rent range for the better search result. Here they will be providing the list of the room not only on the basis of the arrival and the departure date as mentioned by the student, but also they will be showing the rooms that are available after the arrival and prior to the departure date. Here you can see that we have set the arrival date as on 27th June, and here they are showing the rooms that are available from 1st July, 3rd July. So now we will be selecting any of the room from the listing. So here we go. Here comes the details page of the room with the multiple image of the room. Here comes the location of the room, the host. Here comes the map to get the exact location of the room. Name, address, rent, arrival and departure date, book now option, booking details. So here we have implemented Stripe Authn Capture. In that, if suppose you book a room today, admin needs to capture that. For that, admin will take few hours for the confirmation. Once confirmation is done, admin will capture the payment. Here comes Keytones, a real estate website where buying and selling of properties can be done through this website. Here you can view there are numerous search options like advanced search, drawing search, map search. So if we click advanced search, here comes the option that whether you want to buy or rent. You have to mention the area, minimum price, maximum price, number of bedrooms, or you can set the property age, property type, features, etc. and can search to get the better search result. Here comes your property which can be sorted on the basis of price, currency. Here comes save search option. Here you can view the property on the basis of list or grid. Here comes draw your search area, where you have to follow steps so that you can draw your own search area. You have to follow 7 steps to search your desired area. Here comes your area. Now you can search on that basis to get the result. Here you can view. On clicking any of them, you will get the details of the property. You can save it or view the property. Here comes another search option, map search. You can select any area on the map. Here you can see. So we are selecting any area. Then you have to set the price range, bedroom type, buy or rent, and can search. Here comes your listing on the basis of search that can be viewed like grid or list. On clicking full details, you will get the details of the property. Here you can view the tag like sold. The property is already sold. Here you can view photos, floor plan, street view, map, local schools, discover forest gate, etc. Here you can arrange viewing, save property, add a note, print the brochure, and many more things you can do here. Here comes the main feature regarding the property. So you can see our proficiency in creating beautiful website. We believe a website is a reflection of brand, business, image, quality and service. A well-designed website improves the visitor's perception. Correct and balanced usage of color and graphics defines the overall look and feel of the website. Thank you for hearing us and going patiently through this video. Shall be eagerly waiting for your positive feedback.